This tutorial will cover an exciting new feature in SST Summit called Sync Settings. After taking the update to version 8.4.0, you'll notice some new icons to interact with. In the upper right, you have this icon here and the same one on your home screen. Clicking either of these options will open the Sync Settings functionality. We've added this feature so that users could filter out some of their historical data without deleting it from their AgX account. Any changes you make in these settings will not permanently delete data from your account. This is what the interface will look like by default. All of your growers are selected and all of your seasons are included. If you want to select or deselect all of your growers at one time, you can simply right-click in this list. If you uncheck a grower, it will be hidden but still in your AgX account. Any grower with a check in the box next to it will remain locally in your Summit. The Download New Growers automatically feature only pertains to AgX connections. It is defaulted to on so that you always receive new growers from your connections. If you wish to turn that off, simply uncheck the box. On the right side of the interface, we deal with season settings. We've divided data into certain groups. You can expand these to see what's inside each one. By default, all seasons is selected, meaning that you have all your data all the time. If you uncheck that, the boxes become active and you can start selecting seasons of data. Making a season selection for any of these items means that you will keep the layers of data for that season forward to the present season. So if I choose 2016 in field activities, that means that I will get 2016, 2017, and 2018 data if I have it. Each category can be set to a different year or left blank. If it's left blank, then you'll get all seasons of data. No changes that have been made here will be committed until you hit save. Once you've saved your changes, you'll be asked to sync now or sync later. These changes won't take effect until you sync successfully. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and visit our website for more information about SST Summit and our other products.